Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, saya Bambang Saputra, mahasiswa Magister Akuntansi Universitas Negeri Jakarta, angkatan tahun 2024, akan membacakan tesis saya, yaitu yang berjudul The Influence of Managerial Ownership and Good Corporate Governance on Bank Performance in Banking Companies Listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange. Chapter 1 Introduction. Background in my thesis in Phenomena 1 is the banking industry plays a very dominant role in Indonesia financial system. Data from the Financial Service Authority show that total banking asset in 2004 will reach more than AGL 11,000 trillion, or around 70% of the total asset of national financial services institutions. This condition show that change in banking performance have a significant influence on macroeconomic stability and the national financial system. Next, phenomena 2, shock Indonesian banking performance is relatively stable overall, with ROA at around 2.5 to 3% and LA at around 18 to 22% during the 2022 and 2024 period. There are significant variation in profitability among banks listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange. This shows that bank performance is influenced not only by external factors such as economic condition, but also by internal corporate factors. Next, phenomena 3. The ownership structure of banking companies listed on the International Stock Exchange show that managerial ownership generally account for less than 5% of total outstanding shares. However, there are variations in ownership level between banks, which could potentially affect differences in management motivation to improve company performance. Phenomena 4. Most banks in Indonesia have implemented good corporate governance principle with a good rating based on the OJK's self-assessment of award. There are still variation in the effectiveness of governance implementation, particularly in the supervisory function of the Board of Commissioners. The role of the Board of Directors and the effectiveness of the Audit Committee, which can affect the bank's financial performance. Background. Research gaps. Although various studies have examined the relationship between managerial ownership, good corporate governance, and company performance, previous research results show inconsistent findings. Some studies find that managerial ownership has a positive effect on company performance, where other studies show a weak or insignificant effect. In addition, Most previous studies still combine various corporate governance mechanisms in a single analytical model. So that the role of managerial ownership as an incentive mechanism has not been analyzed more specifically, particularly in banking companies listed on the East Indonesia Stock Exchange, which the latest data period. Next, formulation of the problem. 1. How does managerial ownership affect bank performance in banking companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange? 2. How does good corporate governance affect the performance of bank listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange? And 3. How do managerial ownership and good corporate governance simultaneously affect bank performance in banking companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange? Next, mm, research objectivities. And 1. Analyzes the effect of managerial ownership on bank performance in banking companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. And 2. Analyzing the effect of good corporate governance on bank performance in banking companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. And 3. Analyzing the simultaneous effect of managerial ownership and good corporate governance on bank performance in banking companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange during the period. Next, benefits of reserve. And 1. The results of this study are expected to enrich the understanding of the influence of managerial ownership and good corporate governance on bank performance, which is preceded by return on asset and return on equity in banking companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. 2. The result of this study can serve as a basis for evaluation for banking companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange in assessing the effectiveness of managerial ownership and the implementation of good corporate governance. 3. This study can serve as empirical references for further studies discussing ownership structure, corporate governance, and financial performance in the banking sector. Chapter 2. Literature review and theoretical basis. Literature review and theoretical basis. Agency theory. Agency theory explains that the separation between company owners and manager can lead to conflicts of interests that have the potential to affect the quality of decision banking and company management, including in the banking sector. To minimize these conflicts, managerial ownership and the implementation of good corporate governance are important mechanisms in defining the interests of manager and stockholder. Senatori explained that managerial ownership and the implementation of good corporate governance can be a means for companies to convey credible information to investors and the market in order to reduce information assessment between management and external parties. Good corporate governance system that regulation the relationship between shareholder, the board of company commissioned the board of directors and the stakeholders to ensure that the company is managed in a transparent, accountable, responsible, independent, and permanent managerial ownership, a situation in which company management also are a stockholder and is directly involved on company decision making, is revolution research and framework. Chapter 3, Research Methodology in my thesis. Research Method Analysis Unit. This study used banking companies research on the Indonesia Stock Exchange during the period 2020 and 2025 as the unit for analysis with secondary data obtained from the annual report and auditing financial statement of its bank and the object of study. Population and sample. The research population include all banking companies listed on the IDX during that period. Will the sample was determined using purpose sampling the technique. Data collection technique. The data collection technique in this study was conduction shock documentation study, namely by collecting data directly from official sources and then observing the financial report of state-owned bank listed on the 2002 and 2025. Next, data analysis method. Description statistics used to analyze data by describing or illustrating the data that has been collected as it is, without attempting to draw conclusions that apply to the general public of generalization. Classes absency test, normality test, and multicollinearity test. Multiple linear regression test. Data analysis methods is robustness test. Robustness tests are conducted to ensure that estimation results remain consistent when model specification for variable measurements are changed. Two endogeneity tests. The endogeneity tests aim to identify correlation between independent variables and arrangements that can cause estimates to be based on inconsistent hypothesis testing. And one G-test, it tests then testing the coefficient of determination. Next. Thank you. Terima kasih. Ini berikutlah saya telah membacakan dan menjabarkan tesis saya ini. Selanjutnya semoga nantinya akan bisa jadi lebih baik lagi ke depannya dan semoga ini bisa jadikan untuk berikutnya untuk seminar proposal saya. Saya cukupkan. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.